everyone, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel. This is a showcase walkthrough video of this little mini album. So this was made from the Simple Stories card kit called Just Chicken In that I got in my design team package for Country Craft Creations. So I'm going to do a quick flip through set to music video for you so that you can see it. And I do have a tutorial for this on my channel, so you can check that out. If you want more details about what I've done, I do a talky talk share of this at the end of that tutorial video. So stay tuned.